All right, so you have seen me do the installation back here of the putting green. Now Jax and I are going to show you how we enjoy it. So this is match play, so we're not really keeping up with strokes. It's just the lowest score on a hole wins. I think that's better to get the camera down here. So hole number one, Jax, I'll give you the honors.
You're about to watch a lot of bad putts, sir. Let's just hope they don't shank it. Go in.
I don't think, oh, lipped it out. I don't think you're going to shank it. Not a putt, anyway. Jax is putting with a, what do you have? A Cobra putter?
Cobra King.
King Cobra putter, and I've got my prototype
I want that one.
tailor-made Spider.
I really want a Spider.
Yeah, I left it short. I'll even after one. Go ahead, you can lead it. The same holes we always play. No. You go up the hill first. Go up the hill, then go around the horn. Oh, you nuked that, dude. Absolutely nuked it. That's all right. We're going one up right here. How's that not go in? All right, you got to make that. That ain't a gimme. Whoop, one up.
Hey, you got to make that.
What are you talking about? Got to make? Come on, dog.
Got to see it.
That's a gimme. Kick in. All right, one up.
Yeah, I'll go first this time.
Oh, I hammered it. Turn.
I need this. If I can blow it right past it. Go.
Uh-oh! Back to even. All right, all square after what, three? After two? All right, I never get this putt high enough. Below this hole, it doesn't break as much when you're above it, does it? All right, good roll. Got to make this to what, stay all even?
I think so.
All right, there we go. All square. That's going to turn. This putt right here has a severe break to the right at the cup, and you really wouldn't think it would. I think there's something wrong with the rock up under it. Turn. Woo! One up, baby.
Four.
Turn.
Wrong.
That's about a straight in putt, you know. All right, that's good. Still one up. This putt, you have to play it about a foot out on the left.
So I'm up 7 feet. Oh, that's not in.
Just low. Ooh, that's got a chance. That's got a chance. You left it short.
Right in the heart.
Oh, we going back this way. Left it a little bit short, dog. That was good. I'll give that to you. All right.
Oh, that's way off.
It's not way off. It's just a little low. Little low, little low, little low. Now that would be way off. You're 4 feet short, dog. Come on, get it to the cup. Oh, 2 up. 2 up. I didn't get it up on the ridge. Oh, whoa, 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 whoa. Woo! That's about a 4.5 footer right there. This putt's really fast. It kind of comes down the hill a little bit. Oh my. Oh, I thought you done made that. All right, firm, right in the back of the cup. Firm, right in the back of the cup, baby. All right, 2 up. About to go 3 right here.
Nope. I doubt it.
Get in. Oh man, it didn't turn. Sometimes that putt breaks and sometimes it doesn't. You jacked that. These are good. Good. So I have a question for you. What if I took the YouTube channel I have and rename it?
The GCI YouTube channel. You're gonna rename it? To what?
Go in the hole. And call it GCI Turf and Tee.
What does that mean?
What do you mean, what does it mean? Like a tee you put in the ground to tee it up. Yeah, but I ain't got time to do both. I mean, I don't even hardly do videos for this one anymore. But we can combine it. Oh, that's close. What do you think? GCI Turf and Tee.
Oh, you missed it.
So, GCI Turf and Tee, you guys comment and let me know what you think about that. All right, 2 up. Uh-oh. Ah. Whoa. That's actually a straight in putt when you firm it like that. I played it out. Uh-oh. Nope. Oh, whoa, you lost it down the slope. Jax, take your time on that. You just went 3 down. You just went 3 down because you didn't pay attention. All right, I'm making this putt. This putt's giving me a fit. Turn. How come it breaks sometimes and sometimes it doesn't? All right, good. 3 up. All right, so there should be 5 holes left. Now we crisscross the 2 longest holes, and that should put us at 17, and then we come up with a really funky hole.
We don't normally, but
That'd be 18. Oh, I hit that too hard. Hit the hole. Hit the hole. Hit the hole. Yep, that was a little bit firm. About 3 foot by. Wow, that might be good. Turn, 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 turn. All right, yours is good. Yours is good. I'll have to put mine out. This is a little bit past the gimme. There we go, still 3 up. Now we crisscross back to this hole, all the way in the corner. If it gets there, that's in. Oh, so close. Oh, so close. All right, you got a hole out. Oh, what is that? It hopped on you. All right, that's good. Now we got to go back to that one, and then we go back down to the other one. I think this is probably one of the toughest putts out here. Stay up. Stay up. Stay up. No! 4 up, baby. Woo! Oh, you were right of right on that one. Yeah, we played the night before. We played 3 matches, and Jax beat me 2-1 in those matches.
Yeah, he never plays like this, y'all.
And then I just beat him a minute ago. Just back and forth. All right, next to last hole. Right here, it's got to go down the slope and break right.
That's way off.
No, it ain't. Oh, whoa, it is. It ain't gonna break. Ah! Yeah, you got to get it right of that little hump right there. If you don't, it won't turn. Knock this one in. That's short. You didn't hit it, Sally. You didn't hit it, Sally. You got some meat on that bone. Tap, tap. All right, and for the
18 much.
last hole, we're gonna go the entire length of the green, about 60 feet. No, that includes the rough. So it's about maybe 52 feet, maybe. From all the way in the corner.
Hey, monkey.
Oh no, I didn't get it there. Go. Go, 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 go. Ah, I did not hit it. Hold it out. Just tap it in. Tap, tap it in. Oh, you hit that one firm. Good gracious. That's off the green, dude. Oh, the rough held you up. Four down, boy. We got one more really, really difficult putt. And that's running the length of the ridge I put in here. So we're going from this end, the same end down there. This one breaks maybe 2 foot. You think it breaks 2 feet, Jax? maybe 1.5 feet. Turn, turn, turn. No way. Boom, baby. What's up?
He never plays with me.
What's up? What's up? You missed that high. All right. That's how we have fun. That's 1-0 tonight. You ready for some more smoke? Check you later.